Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Module 2 of EDU 603, Analysis of Teaching and Assessment. Dr. Anita Stewart-McCafferty here from USM, faculty in the Department of Educational Leadership. In this module, we're going to focus on the idea of assessment for learning, that framework, and its connection to the visible learning framework. We'll also do a deep dive into teacher clarity. The guiding questions for this module are as follows. What is the assessment for learning framework and its connections to high impact strategies? And how do teachers and instructional leaders achieve clarity in their teaching? The three module objectives we will focus on during this week are as follows. One, to be able to explain the assessment for a learning model and how it is supported by the visible learning framework. The second is to develop a multi-step approach to deconstructing, analyzing, and restating standards and transfer goals into student-friendly language. We recommend that you try using the format I can, this means, or an alternate framework, I can, this means, here's how. The third module, our third module objective, is to be able to use visual strategies to create tools to achieve teacher clarity. For example, next step rubrics, stars and stairs learning progressions, puzzle piece learning progressions, concept maps, etc. So during this module, you'll have the opportunity to watch a webinar on teacher clarity, and also to watch a brief interview with Jan Chapuis, consultant and author extraordinaire on assessment for learning. You'll also be asked to read chapters 3 through 5 from the Teaching Strategies That Create Assessment Literate Learners book, where you'll get an opportunity to really make the connections between the visible learning high impact strategies and the framework for assessment for learning that Rick Stiggins and Jan Chapuis and their colleagues at ATI, the Assessment Training Institute, organized for all of us here in North America a couple of decades ago at this point. You'll be asked to complete 2 learning tasks around clear learning targets, and also to participate in the discussion board where you'll create a concept map or a graphic organizer comparing and contrasting assessment for learning and visible learning. I hope you have fun learning more about assessment for learning and teacher clarity, and actually diving into creating some of these tools for use in your classroom or schools. Enjoy Module 1.